Welcome back. Today we're working on the 73 cab over GMC. Gonna finish welding the frame, and we're gonna fish plate that. I got some fenders. I'll show you a clip of the shenanigans that ensued for me getting those off. Yeah, we'll figure out as we go along. Welcome back. You're watching Whiskey Dance. Glad you could join me. Oh, hit that like button. Thank you. Sorry about the wind noise, but the search for fenders is over. Look what I found. Jackpot. Passenger side's perfect. Driver's side needs a little bit of love. But nice crisp $100 bill is what that got me. Super excited. They got all kinds of stuff out here too. Might have to do some snooping around when I come to take it off. Well, I'm out here in this windstorm trying to get these fenders off. They're like flat screws. They immediately strip out these Phillips heads, and then there ain't enough there to get a hold of with vice grip. So I think I'm gonna have to come back with a drill bit and just drill all them out. Darn it. I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna cut the back of this off for the rear of the box on each side, if they'll let me. They haven't said yes, but they haven't said no, so we'll see. Well, after drilling every single one of those out, I am victorious. Unfortunately, there is a ton of Bondo in these, in this one anyway, and then over there, but it's all right. I'll take what I can get. I got the other side off. Gonna pack up and head on home. All right. So the guy I bought that 49 from begged me not to cut it into pieces. So we are going to get some sheet metal bent that follows this, and the top of the box will be right there. And it'll come all the way down, and then I'm going to match this over here. Keep both of the fenders flat across the bottom. Possibly put a step or something in there, because it would be nice, because if your box side is, 5.5 feet up, yeah, it'd be hard to grab something out of there. So I may put a step between those. The other thing I'm going to do, hold on one second. All right, so I can't say that I've seen anybody else do this, but the plan is to actually make this a flatbed, and then it's going to have box sides on it, so it'll look like a box, but I'll actually be able to lift the sides off. So I don't know if anybody's done it or not, but son, please don't throw rocks. You know I'm recording, right? What? Are you being naughty? Yeah. I'm gonna kick your butt all the way to Chinatown. Do it. You're a funny guy. All right, back to work. All right, since I'm going to be making the custom box, for one, the roller or bender at work, whatever you want to call it, is only 5 foot. So that puts me at the center of this wheel. So what I'll probably do is have 3 5-footers bent, and then I'll just cut one in half and add it on here, which the welding will only be about 1 foot. I should be able to get it straight enough. So the next thing is, on that donor vehicle, I'm going to cut this whole back off, and that is going to be the back of my box. Okay? I'm going to leave it, I don't know, probably just flatten it right here, make my own tailgate. But I think this thing is going to look absolutely awesome when it's done. And I don't think it's going to take a whole lot. Pretty basic. I shouldn't need much body work besides these fenders. I'm probably going to fill this portion in a little bit more so that you can't see it from the outside, if that makes sense. Yeah, I still need to put mud flips on here. That bumper is actually tilted in just a little bit. I thought it was level when I was doing it, but obviously I was working over there. So I got to cut that loose. I may actually bump it out an inch or two, and then I'll possibly have a little more room for my fuel cell back here. So, all right, well, I'm going to go grab the welding wire. I'm going to finish welding this, and yeah, I'll be right back. Tell me what you guys think about this project so far. I think it's awesome. Hey, also, don't forget to go check out Classic Car Revivals. He's giving away his truck Big Jim, and that is happening Halloween. So if you go over there right now, watch his whole video and comment Big Jim rules, you get a free entry to win. So go check it out. Thanks. Just one more thing before I get to welding. I am taking at least 3 inches of leaf springs out of here. If you guys didn't watch the midweek update video or whatever, I'm taking 3 inches out. I ordered U-bolts. They will be here on Monday. I don't know if I'm going to have much of an episode next Friday because we are finally going to deliver Lomax down to Texas. So, yeah, pretty exciting. But anyways, so I'm dropping this. I should say it's actually coming up. But here to here, it drops 9 inches in 3 feet. That I don't think that's feasible for a U-joint. So I'm going to raise this up, or cut the leaf springs out, get it a little bit closer, and then my plan is to cut some of this down, get it to work, and then I'll send it over to the drive shaft shop, and they can finish weld, balance, and whatever else they need to do. So yeah, let's throw some wire in this welder. We'll make some fish plate and get that portion done. I don't have it completely done. I still need to fish plate the inside, but I got to give the welder a little break. I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about me. I'm bending over the frame and my back kind of hurts, so we're good. Take 2. Be back. Halloween's just around the corner. All right, I'm bored with welding. This is what we're going to use to get our angles. So kind of just follow this, get all this on here, and then I will give this to my sheet metal guy, and he can get it rolled and bent and tortured in whatever way he's going to. So like I said before, it's going to be 3 5-foot pieces, and then I'll just splice it together or whatever in the middle. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Well, it started to rain, so this is probably going to be an extremely short episode. I tried to get back out here tomorrow, but no promises. I got a pretty busy weekend coming up. Well, unfortunately, we got a rain delay, and I got stuff to do this afternoon, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. U-bolts and a bunch of other stuff come in on Monday. I'm going to try to do a Monday evening episode, possibly Tuesday, depending on how much footage I have and if I have time to edit. So anyways, if I don't see you on Tuesday, I will see you next Friday. Next Friday, actually Thursday, we're leaving to drop off Lomax. That's that one. But heading down to Texas, so hopefully I get something pre-recorded too on Thursday or whatever. I'm thinking about taking the day off, and then Christian and his dad are going to come help me, and we're going to drive down to Texas. So have a great weekend. Go out and do something. Hopefully you don't get rained on. Bye. Hey, if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not subscribed already, What are you waiting for? It's the best content that you're watching right now. Bye. All right, all this is top secret. I can't disclose the location. But he's got so many old Chevys out here, and vans, anything you can think of. This is the kind of stuff that I absolutely love. I'm gonna look at that 65, and then there's a 66 right there that I'm gonna take a peek at. It's way too windy to record. Hey, look at that thing. Sweet. All right, it was a little rougher than I thought. This is just a little preview. There's a whole bunch more on the other side of the fence. We don't get a flat tire or something. Sorry about the crappy camera work. Kind of hard to see anything back here. Plus these dirty windows. Okay, show's over. I'd be driving to have a crankshaft that big. Wow, it's probably 10 feet tall.